Hey guys, it's Nico. I hope you're all staying safe. I have a weird one today. These are Ardell Press On Lashes. I was shopping on Amazon one day. These popped up in my suggested and I was like, yes, I want that. It's kind of like the same thing as press-on nails, you know? Like, you know that they're not gonna last that long, but we're still gonna try them anyways. All you have to do is put the little applicator near your eye, press the lash on, and it should stick on your lash just fine. So I'm really excited to try these out, but they kind of sound too good to be true. So they just come in like this little tray and they just pop out, I think, if you hold it like, oh, there it is. But it's supposed to be really bendy so you can kind of shape the lash band to the shape of your actual eye, which is helpful. I already have mascara on, obviously. I usually put on mascara before I put on false lashes. I want it to literally just be like, but I know that's not what's about to happen. I'm gonna struggle. Oh my God, this is already really hard. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm stalling. Alrighty. Oh! Why did it look so easy in the freaking little infomercial? I have a feeling what's making them so hard to apply is that they're too long for my eye, so I'm gonna just trim this little corner right here and see if it's easier to kind of plop on. Bad. So much better. Oh my God. Wait, actually, it sticks. Like, it has the sticky power, but definitely needed a trim. And I feel like they actually look pretty good. They're a little long for my taste. They're comfortable. These little applicators, I don't think help at all when it comes to putting them on because it is so not like press and go. You kind of have to work with them. Are they gonna last me the entire day? That has yet to be determined, but right now they feel secure. I have one more test to see if they're actually secure. Well, I wasn't expecting that, but somehow these press-on lashes are still on my eyeballs right now. I think all that's left to do is just wait and see if they actually get more loose as I blink and the day goes on. So I'll check back in with you guys later. So it has been maybe 7 to 8 hours since I applied them. And yeah, technically they're still attached to my eyeballs, but literally hanging on by a thread. Like, do you see this one has like a lot of lifting? They did remain comfortable, which is something I can't say for normal, regular false lashes, but unfortunately, just not very long lasting. If you're doing something that's quick, maybe an hour or two, I feel like these are a great alternative and they're super, super easy to work with. So I think I kind of like them. Oh my God, I can't get too close.